Yo, everybody, welcome back. It's been a minute since I've talked about Hedera. This is going to be a straight Hedera video. You know how I do on this channel, guys. We're going to get real informational and dive real deep in there. Real deep. So, look, first, it's so bright right now. I mean, it's literally bright because I'm looking at the coin market cap. Oh, well, first I got some sunlight like coming in over here. And then we also have the coin market cap screen up, so that's why I look super bright right now. Hedera is sitting at 65 cents. 6 cents, 6.5, whatever you want to say. It's, you know what I'm saying? We're hovering. So, yeah, that's the current price. I'm still 100% Hedera, guys. I have been from the start. I know this channel, I've been kind of spreading out my content a little bit, guys. Talking about work, talking about developer stuff. Reaching more out into my life of different things that I enjoy. And trying to bring them to you guys in an informational way. That's kind of what I've been on lately. So anyways, and I enjoy making the fun work videos for you guys in the shorts. I hope you guys been enjoying them. If you haven't seen my shorts, go check them out. They're, I don't know how to explain it. They're funny, but like in their own way. Because I'm just like, whatever. But you know. So let's just jump into it, guys. I got a couple things I want to go over. First, I don't think many people in the Hedera community have like covered this really well. Or I haven't like searched YouTube, honestly, for it. But I haven't seen it covered like super well yet. So we're going to go over Arkhia. And I hope I am pronouncing that correctly. I'm not really sure. But we're going to talk about what's going on over there. How they're helping the Hedera ecosystem. And why Hedera, I think, is one of the strongest development platforms right now for Web3, quote unquote. Because, you know, there's a whole joke around the word. But alright, guys, let's get into it. First, let's figure out what Arkhia even is. So let's, you can just go over to arkhia.io. And if you guys haven't noticed, my BraveBrowser, man, shout out to Brave. The BraveBrowser, man, I've been going hard in this browser. I've saved 16 hours of my life just by using this browser. So, guys, if you want to get this browser, just download Brave. I'm not sure if I have a partner link. You can check out Dan-Codes. That's my links for everything, guys. If you haven't been over there, please check it out. Also, you can follow me on Facebook. I do have a Facebook page here, Dan Richmond. You can follow me at Dan Richmond. I post, some work content, some food content, just, what's going on with me content. So check that out. And yeah, I love for you guys to follow me and engage. I love talking to everybody. So first things first, I saw Hedera posted this. And I was like, ooh, what's this? So if you look here, what they're talking about for a secure offline CBDC wallet, that means offline enablement, right? They're talking about making it so that if the hardware goes offline, everything would still work with Hedera or with your transactional technology. So this is actually huge. I'm sorry, my dog is whining in the background if you hear him. Let me let him out of this room real quick. I'll just be... Wait, 1 second. Alright, we're back. So, as we were talking about, Idemia here is offering offline CBDC solution for Hedera. And this is actually a huge move, guys. If you look up Idemia and you kind of dig in some more, way more than I'd like to talk about in this video, you'll see that it's rather a big move for Hedera and for this whole CBDC payments, which I've talked about this before in my other videos, guys. You can go back. I've always believed Hedera is going to be the ultimate CBDC solution, and everything's going to be built on that. I've gone back. I've said that a million times. I can't even count. So yeah, this is amazing stuff. This company is tied in with a lot of other companies, guys. You can do your own research. I'm not going to dig in. There's like 5 hours of that. But it's actually super, super impressive. I just also wanted to shout out this. I saw the mall. If you guys, I've showed you this before, the MetaVRse team. They build, they're building on, they built on Hedera. The platform's called MetaVRse. And they built this, looks like they partnered with Starburst. The mall and Starburst have teamed up to announce the launch of their newest virtual world, Starburst Jucyverse, in collaboration with MetaVRse and Bambumeta Web3 Loyalty. The fully immersive virtual world is premiering at South by Southwest 2023 at the mall, the world's largest virtual mall. The Starburst Jucyverse is fully immersive virtual world that allows fans to explore the juicy flavors and vibrant colors of Starburst in 3 dimensions. Visitors can build their own 3D sculptures in the Jucyverse, enter contents for the chance to have them minted as eco-friendly NFTs on Hedera's low energy network. The lowest energy network. Alright, so the mall is built on the MetaVRse engine. Yeah, we know about that. If you go to MetaVRse.com, you guys can see that. Bambumeta and MetaVRse to create a vibrant, engaging virtual world. Looks like it's just a brand partnership, guys. This is huge because, as you know, Starburst is a pretty big brand. I'm definitely interested in this. And I don't know if you guys have seen this Bambumeta. This is another company that I think is super interesting. And I'm not going to cover it in this video because I'm going into Arkhia in a minute. But it's super impressive what they're doing. So yeah. Let's move on. So Arkhia. That's where we're going. Alright, empowering Web3. Empowers Web3 developers on Hedera by providing comprehensive tooling and highly resilient infrastructure for all of your development and API needs. Start building today with Arkia's enterprise-grade infrastructure, APIs, and platform solutions. Alright, so yeah, you can get started for free. I believe, I don't know, I think I already have an account, but I'm not sure what I made my account credentials. So I guess I'm not going to log in right now. But if you look at the docs, they're pretty impressive. We can go over the tutorials. And they have the code samples up here. And this is just a basic Node.js using Axios for the call. And yeah. Super impressive stuff here, guys. And it just really makes it easy for developers to be interoperable with Hedera faster and just using Arkhia services. I think there's probably other benefits. I've been looking at a couple of these code samples and stuff, like this JSON relay sample they got. It's an RPC relay, and they have like a whole platform once you log in there. So you can log in there and basically, it's a whole platform for getting started with Hedera Developer and developing Hedera. So you can interact basically with Hedera through Arkhia, and Arkhia offers basically the infrastructure, and that's kind of what this is going here. They got Web3.js, Node.js, and curl for this JSON. What is this JRPC? Is this TRPC? TypeScript relay, or yeah, I think this is like what this is. I'm not exactly sure, guys. I'm pretty sure that's what this is, but yeah, they got some code samples here. Subscription tiers, you can see they got the free tier. It's not recommended for production use. It's throttled. It is throttled. The service is throttled. Range is slower. And it doesn't have auto scalability, so you're gonna have to go to a paid tier. Let's check out what those cost. Paid tier. The paid tier accounts are for teams who wish to deploy the application. All right, so yeah, you can deploy an application. Let's look at their. They got fair trade coffee application. Basic knowledge of how Hedera works. How do you node React? We know how to use those. Our Arkhia account, clone the quick start. Yeah, so I might just go through and just do a whole demo one of these days with this. I didn't really plan on writing the code today in this video. I just want to go over like an overview and how powerful this really could be for developers to get started building Web3 products. I think this, obviously Hedera, I think is the best platform for building Web3 products. Because you're not going to find better speed or security. But let's look at somebody who actually built a product on Arkhia. They got, infrastructure as a service. Web3 backend providers. So that's what I'm saying. All the backend services of Hedera go through that, and then they just like have a nice like little API. Basically, is what I'm getting here. DappRadar utilizes Arkhia APIs to query smart contracts and aggregate Hedera data. DappRadar is a data acquisitions and analysis platform which supplies its users with an accurate overview of ecosystems and networks, while also providing deep dives into specific tokens and projects, such as Dapp, TVL, active wallets, and total transactions. DappRadar filters through Dapp data, removes fake and irrelevant activity, and provides actionable market intelligence. Dapps are tracked in terms of the unique active wallets (UAW), token volume, and transaction activity to provide insight into the trends in the Dapp ecosystem. Yeah, so here's DappRadar. DappRadar obviously is using Arkhia to power the Hedera products on their platform. So super awesome. That's just one example of a company using Arkhia. And then I see this one about Hashport too. Let's check this out. So it looks like Hashport is an enterprise. We know what Hashport is. Hashport uses the validator swarm consisting of industry-leading organizations from diverse market sectors within the Web3 space. Token transfers within Ethereum, BNB, yeah, we know. Hashport challenge. Hashport leverages the HCS to validate bridging requests. The service requires a consistent, continuous connection to Hedera mirror nodes so that when a user initiates a new transaction, the validators and Hedera can pick up, verify, and complete their request. In addition, Hedera also requires sufficient bandwidth to receive all data requests from the network. So if we are looking here, looks like in Arkhia suite, which consists of Arkia's infrastructure, developer APIs, and platform solutions, address the Hashport team's immediate concerns while providing the infrastructure and tooling needed for future scaling. Hashport utilizes the Arkhia mirror node solution, providing enterprise-grade infrastructure which ensures a consistent connection with the Hedera public network. It also offers the necessary bandwidth to keep the validator. Okay, you guys can keep reading. Basically what they're saying is they use the service, right? This is awesome. Arkhia is awesome. Anything that helps developers build on Hedera is awesome. So right here, guys, we're at the docs, the Hedera developer docs. As you can see, they've been updated. All these cool little icons. Yeah, these docs have been way updated since before when we looked at them. You can learn the basics here, the core concepts. They have a lot of documentation to read through. You can, I guess you can create faucets, blah, 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 all sorts of stuff for testing. They have all these different tutorials to teach you smart contracts, and how to use Hedera to create different smart contracts. The Hedera ecosystem is really ready for you to build, guys. And that's what I'm here to tell you. That's the summary of this video, is that I think that Hedera is the #1 platform for developers right now and going into 2024. And I'm looking to build as soon as possible. I've been talking about this for a while, but life just gets in the way sometimes. But eventually, I'm going to build a product using Hedera services. So yeah, that'll come soon. I don't know when, but hopefully. I did want to go over one more thing. Bambumeta. I think I said I wasn't going to talk about this in this video. But what it is like a new Web3 type way to talk to your customers. And I think they have like some loyalty driven stuff going on. And you can see they're using single sign-on authentication. They're using QR codes. Looks like you can get like this offer, native mobile wallet-driven loyalty, geo triggers. Yeah, so they're working on this. It looks like they're working on this. This is something I've talked about in the past with using with using Hedera services that would be doable. This is actually really, really exciting to look at. There's just a lot of information I'd like to go over here, but I can't dig into the whole project at this moment. But basically, it's a different way for brands to reach their customers and work with their customers using Web3. I think it's super, super awesome, and I'm excited to see what comes of this company as well. Bambumeta. So check that out. This is Dan Richmond. Thanks for checking out my channel. We've talked a lot about Hedera stuff today, guys. There's a lot of exciting stuff going into later 2023 and 2024. I'm still really looking forward to everything Hedera has to offer. They keep just putting out more exciting stuff, and it's really the best platform that's out right now. I think they're going to hold through this crypto winter we're in right now. And as the banks keep taking a shit and things are happening financially, I think more people will get into crypto. And I'm hoping that the CBDC projects that Hedera are working on go great, because I think a digital dollar would ultimately be, I won't say great, I just think convenient. And I think people would use it out of convenience. But yeah, thanks again. Please like, subscribe, and all that stuff to my channel. Thanks for your guys' continued support. Dan Richmond out.